In the basalt cliffs of Maharashtra, India, there exists a temple that defies imagination. It was never built, it was carved out of a single living mountain, from the top downward, over 12 centuries ago. Welcome to the Kailasa temple at Ellora, the largest monolithic rock-cut structure in the entire world. Around 756 CE, the Rashtrakuta king Krishna I looked at a vast volcanic cliff and saw not rock, but a divine mountain waiting to be set free. He commissioned a monument to Lord Shiva so extraordinary that ancient inscriptions record even the gods were astonished when they saw it. Stretching 195 feet in length, 145 feet wide, and soaring 100 feet into the sky, every inch of it was chiseled from one single mass of basalt, using nothing but iron tools and sheer human will. Here is where the story becomes almost miraculous. Unlike any other structure on earth, Kailasa was excavated top to bottom. Artisans began at the summit of the cliff and carved downward, removing between 200,000 and 400,000 tons of rock, with no machinery, no cranes, no blueprints. And yet there are almost no errors anywhere in the entire structure. Scholars believe the master architects were the same men who built the Virupaksha temple at Pattadakal. They arrived with a prototype already in their minds. One estimate suggests 250 skilled laborers could have completed the core temple in as little as 5.5 years. A medieval Marathi legend adds a human heartbeat to all this stone. A queen, desperate with grief over her dying husband, vowed to build a temple to Shiva, and promised to fast until she could see its spire with her own eyes. When the king recovered, every architect said it would take months. Then one master, named Kokasa, stepped forward and said, "She will see the Shikhara in 7 days." He began at the very top of the rock, carving downward. The queen saw the spire. She broke her fast, and the temple was named Manikshwar in her honor. To walk through Kailasa is to walk through a universe. A grand Gopuram gateway leads into a vast U-shaped courtyard edged by 3-story arcades of sculpted stone. At the center stands the main shrine, a sacred Shiva Linga beneath a soaring Dravidian spire, resting on a mandapa of 16 pillars. Facing it, Nandi the sacred bull gazes at his lord from his own pavilion, connected by a rock bridge carved from the same living mountain. The base of the entire temple appears to rest on the backs of stone elephants, as though the earth itself is offering its strength to the divine. The walls of Kailasa are a gallery of the entire Hindu cosmos. Scenes from the Ramayana and Mahabharata unfold in vivid relief. But one sculpture towers above all others, Ravana, the mighty demon king, straining with 20 arms to lift Mount Kailash, where Shiva sits in absolute stillness. With just the gentle press of his toe, Shiva holds the mountain unmoved. Many believe it is the single, breathtaking image that gave the temple its eternal name, Kailasa. Even those who came to destroy it could not. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb sent 1,000 laborers who worked for 3 years and barely left a mark. Aurangzeb himself wrote in his memoirs that Kailasa was one of the wonders of the world, charming to the eye, and unless one sees it, no written description can correctly picture it. In 1983, UNESCO recognized it as part of a World Heritage Site. Art historians compare its scale and significance to the Parthenon, noting that Kailasa's footprint is more than twice as large. The Kailasa temple is not a ruin. It breathes. Every morning it opens its gates. Every Mahashivratri, thousands of pilgrims come to worship at the same Shiva Linga that has received devotion for over 1200 years. This is a mountain that chose to become a temple, and a temple that chose to become eternal. Come and see it. No description, however written, can do it justice.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namostute Devadhideva Shambho Kailash Shikhar Nivasine Adbhutam Tav Roopam Hi Pashad Shilpa Pradayine. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. वेरुल की पावन धरती पर महादेव का वास है। एक ही पत्थर में दिखता शिव का दिव्य आभास है। अद्भुत ये कैलाश मंदिर पत्थर की ही काया है। एलोरा की गुफाओं में शिव ने रचाया माया है। जय कैलाश, जय महाकाल, जय शिव शंभो। सैकड़ों वर्षों का श्रम देखो इस पत्थर में समाया है। ऊपर से नीचे की ओर ये पाषाण तराशाया है। महारानी की मन्नत थी, राजा कृष्ण का संकल्प महान, हटा न सका कोई से। ऐसा खड़ा है ये बलवान, एक ही पर्वत काट के प्रभु का भव्य महल उतर उतर के हंसे।